Hello everybody, Barry Nadler with eLearningDeconstructed.com, where we create e-learning rock stars. Today we're going to be talking about a simple way to get a color scheme specifically from a photo within Microsoft PowerPoint 2013. So the situation that is at hand is you've been charged with creating a course and you do not have a company color scheme that's been predefined and you're not sure what colors to use. So you're going to go looking for inspiration. Well, as you're perusing the internet, you find a photo similar to this, and you think to yourself, I kind of like that photo, I kind of like the colors in that, I could use this. So what we're going to do is we're going to eventually build an interface like this. This video specifically is not about actually building this interface, but this is the end result of how you could use the color scheme that we're going to create. In here you've got the greens from the stems of the flowers. You've got the yellow and the gold here from the petals. You've got a yellow tab here as well as the red highlight that you see up here in the flower. And you've got some blue here from the sky. Here is our photo. And I've highlighted on the screen a couple of the places that we might pull some colors from. So over here you've got the blues. You've got a light blue and a dark blue. You've got a dark gold and a light gold. Here's your red stripe. You've got some dark greens over here, and you've got some light greens over here to work with. The tool that's going to help make this possible is a new feature within PowerPoint 2013. It's the Eyedropper Tool. If you've ever worked inside of Adobe Photoshop or any other kind of art program, you've probably used the Eyedropper Tool and you're familiar with it. You can see it there on the screen highlighted. It's right over here. This tool right here, and it matches right over here. Under your shape fill, you have it available to you in PowerPoint. So we're now out of show mode in PowerPoint 2013, and we've got our photo here, and I've got 7 white boxes. These boxes are going to be used to hold the various colors that we're going to pick. Now, first thing you're going to do is you're going to select your box, and you're going to go under the drawing tools. Go to your shape fill, and you can see your eyedropper tool right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to select that eyedropper tool, and we're going to move that over to where we want to be. You'll notice as I move it around on the image, it picks up the various colors. You don't have to be on an image. It'll also pull it directly out of whatever's on the screen. It'll work for you. So what we want to do is we want to use this light blue. So I'm going to hover over there. You can see the RGB values are being red, green, and blue, RGB. The values here are 198, 229, and 255. I'll show you that in just a moment. We're going to select that light blue there. You can see it fills this box right here. If I go under my shape fill and I select more fill colors, under my custom tab in my color model of RGB, you'll see the red, the green, and the blue values we just saw. So if you write these down, you can reproduce this blue at any point in time. So let's go after the darker blue now. So we're going to select the white. We're going to go back to our shape fill, and we're going to click our eyedropper. We're going to go up here and pick the darker blue. So now we have our light blue and we have our dark blue. If we wanted to create some kind of a gradient on our interface, we could do that. These next 2 white boxes, those are for the golds. So this will be your light gold and this will be your dark gold. Select the white box, go to shape fill, select eyedropper, and we're going to pick up the lighter shade of gold. We're going to go over to the other white box, go back to shape fill. Now we're going to select the eyedropper again, and we're going to go to the darker gold. There you go. These 2 here are going to be for the greens. This will be your light green and this will be your dark green. So the first one we're going to do is we're going to click this white box, go to the shape fill, again the eyedropper tool. We'll find a nice light color green. There you go. That's a nice one right in there. And then this box here will be the darker green. So again, the shape fill, the eyedropper tool, go over here and we'll find a nice darker green like that. And you can see those now work together. And this last box here is for the red in the stripe. So again, the shape fill, eyedropper tool, and we'll get our red. Thing you'll notice here is the colors we've picked have started to show up in here, which means you could use them over and over again on any slide that you wanted to in this presentation. So as you can see, those colors work very well inside of this interface. Again, here's the greens. This is just a green box with a gradient of the two greens. You've got the photo of the flowers. You've got the golds here from the flower. You've got boxes with text in them, and it's just the green text against the blue sky color, and a gold box with the red accent color. So that's capturing a color scheme out of a photo that you found on the internet and you want to use as part of an interface. We're going to be doing several other demonstrations similar to this, including taking that image, putting it into Photoshop, capturing the colors and using those in PowerPoint, as well as if you've got a company website, being able to capture the colors off of that company website and using those in PowerPoint to create an interface. If you're interested in more of what you've seen here, check us out at www.elearningdeconstructed.com. And don't forget, instructional designers do it out loud. If you want to share any of your experiences using color schemes in PowerPoint, or you like the ideas you've heard here, use the comments below the video to let us know. So as I said at the beginning, my name is Barry Nadler. I'm with eLearningDeconstructed.com, where we create e-learning rock stars. We'll see you later. Thanks. Bye.